We should have been more careful with the weather, but we really wanted to see those Caretta turtles. They can be found near some beaches and also in Argostoli harbor, so we needed to get right about here. That's not how a Caretta turtle is supposed to work. Apparently, they sometimes come to surface since they learn that people will feed them every now and then. We rented the pedal boat, 20 euros, which seemed a little too expensive, so we boldly tried to go where no one else went that morning. Yes, we were the first customer that day. Unfortunately, we didn't spot any of those turtles. Instead, we got this. As soon as we touched the land again, I realized three things. 1. The rain stopped. 2. My paranoia about my drone finally paid off. It was kept in its original bag, then in a backpack, then in another bigger backpack, so no drop of water reached it. And 3. Samsung Galaxy S8 is indeed rainproof, so kudos for the guys who manufacture it. For the rest of the day we head north and we visited the town of Fiskardo where we had lunch, then a short visit to 3 beaches. Emblisi, Dafnoudi and Trapezaki. The day after was the last day in Kefalonia, so I decided to do something epic, at least for me, scuba diving. Stay tuned, bye!